Yes, sir. You already know this your boy BA's. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know we don't like to waste nobody's time. Before we do that, just give this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Today we touching bases on NAKD brand. That's ticker symbol NAKD. We talked about this stock a few times on the channel. So I always tell y'all wait for a nice pullback, a strong pullback before you get in. So if y'all waited and listened, then y'all got in on this nice pullback that we experienced with the whole market. When the whole market was down, everything pulled back. So you had the opportunity to get in naked around 75 cent range, 75 cent range, 72 cent range. So hopefully y'all loaded up on that. So let's check it out, y'all. We opened at 88 cents yesterday. The high was 103. The low was 88 cents. The 52-week high was 340. The 52-week low was 0.06 cents. So for us to open at 88 cents and for our low to be 88 cents, meaning we didn't pull back much on the opening. Usually we have a nice strong panic dip buy in the morning. Naked, it held up strong, baby. Open at 88 and it said ain't giving you no discount. Now the lowest I'm going is 88. So that's a very strong indicator for a bullish sign, bullish trend. So let's check it out, y'all. Let's see where our entry points and let's see where our resistance points at and see where we is headed. And for the ones that think you too late, let's help y'all out and give y'all some entry points and where to stay safe and where to get out at if it go against you, where to get out at when you make your profits. So let's check it out. So if we look back on the 3-month chart, we see we got a nice solid strong support right here, 85 cents. March 5th, 2021. We got a nice strong support around 85 cent area. If we look back on the 3-month chart, this is just worst case scenario. If this thing break 85 and go down and retest that 75 cent range again, we could possibly see a huge fall all the way down to 52 cents. Keep that in mind, which I'm thinking we done broke that bearish trend. We open the bullish momentum now. But you always want to be prepared, not surprised. Don't ever go all in. Don't put all your money, all your funds in on one stop. So be prepared for anything to happen. If we go back on a 1-month chart, March 1st, we got a resistance at 108. Right now in pre-market, we trading at about 101, 102, 103. As soon as we can move upward and reach that 108, that'll be our pivot point. And we got a resistance at 108. As soon as we break through 108, this thing gonna fly straight to 135. It's gonna fly straight to 135 right here on the 1-month chart, February 24th. We'll be at 135, and once we reach 135, we're up and we got the compliance. We can, as long as we hold that dollar for 10 days and reach compliance, and we'll be able to attract more buyers, attract more watchers, and this thing will be ready for the uptrend. If y'all want to know more about the news on it, the institutional holdings, all that good stuff, go look at one of the old NAKD brand videos. We covered all that. This video was simply just to look over the technical analysis and check out, see where this thing is headed on the chart, short term and long term. So for anyone that feel like they too late and wondering where should they get in at if they still want to play this stock, I say this morning, if you see a nice pullback all the way to like 90 cent, 89 cent, that would be a nice buy point. And if you get in at 89 cent, 90 cent, I'll wait for another pullback, a strong pullback all the way to 85 cent, 86 cent, and I'll load up some more shares. And once I load up at 85, 86, now where we'll get out at if it go against us. If you load up at 85, 86, and this thing pull back, I want to pull all the way back to 80 cents. It pull all the way back to 80 cents. We're going to get up out of there, and we're going to re-enter when it get to the 50, 60 cent range. So, but as far as the upside potential, if we get in at 85, 86 cent and this thing starts shooting up, what we will get out, a good get out point would be $1.35. Even though long term, this thing could go to $5 a share, $10 a share. We can't see that far out in the future yet. We just going day by day and weeks and looking at our monthly charts and stuff. So even though it could go high potential, I want y'all to learn how to lock in your profits. So if you got in at 85 cent and this thing run to 135, you should be selling. That's about a 50% gain. So I mean, you could hold longer than that, but I'm just letting y'all know what I'm doing. If I get in this thing at 85, 86 cent, I'm gonna sell my shares early because I'm a lock in profits type of guy. I like to lock in my gains and cut losses quickly. So you already know that's just a little free game for y'all right there. So that's all I really got for y'all this video. Just want to give y'all a quick update on NAKD brand. You already know if you like this type of stuff, you already know you found the right channel. Consider joining the family. It's all love. It's your boy B Hayes, and we out, y'all. God bless.